What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, it's the Hard here, back again with some more reactions. Guys, today I'm going to take a look at Stewart, and this one is Year of the Cat. So guys, not sure what this is about, so I'll be taking a listen to see what's, what's up. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this. It's like an anime. Ooh. Oh! The piano.
On a morning from a Bogart movie, in a country where they turn back time, you go strolling through the crowd like Peter Lorre contemplating a crime. She comes out of the sun in a silk dress, running like a watercolor in the rain. Don't bother asking for explanation, she'll just tell you that she came in the year of the cat.
Hey! Wow, this is nice. Bum, bum, bum.
She doesn't give you time for questions.
Guys, the more the song plays, like the better it gets. Like, I'm not joking. The start, I mentioned something in the start like anime. The reason why I said anime, guys, you know, like if you like, I doubt anyone here like even like tries maybe to watch a little bit of you know, like Japanese anime, of course. A lot of like piano vibes, you know. Like, I was getting that kind of vibe from the starting here. That's why I said this. But oh my goodness, this is something awesome. This is groovy. I can dig this. Hey guy, this will play at a party. I can break it down. I can break it down. And now you can actually hear the instruments like individually. Like you can actually, I can actually like pinpoint what's playing, which is, I like to do this. You know, I love music. I love instruments. So I like to say, okay, that sounds like a piano. But even actually like hearing the way the piano sounds like the old, like the older piano. Like because I know you know, a lot of synthesizers, pianos, keyboards, and they actually have that you know, that tone as well. So it's pretty awesome. Well, I know for sure that this is original. But yeah, let's go.
She doesn't give you time for questions as she locks up your arm in hers, and you follow till your sense of which direction completely disappears. By the blue tiled walls near the market stalls, there's a hidden door she leads you to. These days, she says, I feel my life just like a river running through the year of the cat.
Hey! Yo! Ah! The bass.
While she looks at you so coolly, and her eyes shine like the moon and the sea. She comes in incense and patchouli, so you take her to find what's waiting inside the year of the cat.
Woo! Oh, a sax.
One morning comes
Oh
and
my
you're still
God.
with her. On the bus,
Guys, hold on, guys. Where are all these instruments coming from? Oh my goodness. Yo, this was well done. Of course, we haven't ended it yet, but oh my goodness, guys, I have to say this. Oh my goodness, it's going in my collection. Oh my goodness, guys. No joke. I was not expecting the saxophone to come up here, and honestly, in my book here, I heard the piano. I said, yeah. I heard the guitar. I said, okay. I heard the electric guitar. I said, yeah. I heard the saxophone. I said, oh, damn. That is it. Hey, rest in peace. You take my money. Take my money. Damn. Guys, no. This is absolutely a blast to listen to. I'm absolutely sure this did well in, the time it came out. Just hearing this here, like now here, ooh. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm just saying, but damn, this. Oh my goodness, the music was really something back then. Oh my goodness, guys, let's go. I know I talk shit. Let's go.
one morning comes and you're still with her. On the bus and the tourists are gone. And you've thrown away your choice and lost your ticket, so you have to stay on. But the drumbeat strains of the night remain, and the rhythm of the newborn day. You know, sometime you're bound to leave her, but for now you're gonna stay in the year of the cat.
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Yeah! Woo! Yellow! Yo! Yes! Woo! Yes! This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. I am satisfied already. Guys, I cannot do any more reactions today, and I'll be satisfied. I am satisfied. Oh my goodness. Round of applause for this entire masterpiece. Oh my goodness. This entire thing is just non-stop. It's just like, it gets better and better and better. Oh my goodness. Well done to everybody a part of this here. Of course, it says Al Stewart, so a massive, I don't know, guy. I'm not sure if it's him alone that, I'm pretty sure it's not he's the only one, but I'm pretty sure there are others. So let me say everyone in part of this here, kudos, and this is absolutely amazing. Well done. Everything was just properly placed. Everything sounds smooth. It gave off a not only groovy but a jazzy feeling as well. Especially the saxophone brought the real real jazz kind of vibes. The piano, I heard another piano tone. I'm not sure what to call that, but wow, excellent, guys. I'm adding this to my collection, no joke. I'm gonna give that a couple plays again, and it's a good thing the song is like a 6 minute song. Good thing it's not 4. A song like this, man, needs to be long. It should be longer though. What do you say, guys? Like 10 minutes. But damn, this was nice and fun to listen to, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think about this here in the comment section here. For me, this was absolutely perfect. There's no part that I hated. For sure, I loved everything about this. This is spectacular, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. Guys, like the video for me, please. Yeah, let me know you like it. Comment down below. Let me know a couple things. Hey, recommendations will be fine. And guys, subscribe. Wow, guys, I'm drinking some orange juice and apparently making my tongue a bit. So guys, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit that bell on the way, don't miss a beat. And guys, I'll see you guys back on the next one. Everybody plays. Take care.